What's up, online shoppers? Maybe you've been wondering and thinking about getting yourself a red light therapy device for your face. This one here was gifted to me. The brand is VYM by Clinmate, and I am so impressed with how it is constructed and how easy it is to use. This one here is an ultra thin wireless LED light. It has 292 separate LED lights built into this mask right here. It's super lightweight, only weighs 4.6 ounces, which is not heavy at all. It's got really nice Velcro straps, and here is what the mask looks like from the backside. Now it's got these really nice, super velvety, soft silicone eye cups that make a really nice connection here and here. You don't have to use any kind of serum with this. You just really put it on your face and turn it on. Now, before I go putting it on, I want to show you what it looks like when it's lit up. They do give you a really nice, super detailed usage guide here, but they also give you a quick start guide right here. It is wireless in that it is connected only to this little controller. This is your controller and battery pack. You charge the controller with this little USB-C to USB cord that they provide for you. It takes about an hour to charge. Powering the mask on is super easy. You just have to touch the button right here. The display lights up. Now it does go to whatever setting you had it on last. So in this case, it is on brightening. So one touch turns the mask on, and the second touch actually turns on the lights. Wide variety of different professional light settings that you can use for this. Controlling it is basically right here. Clicking this button, search through like this to other light modes. Once you find the one that you like, this one here is soothing, and you turn it on, you can see it has still this kind of an orangey glow to it. You can go back and search another one. This one here is anti-aging. Again, you get this amber light, but it does have other light modes as well. Now, hitting this arrow button up here at the top is going to allow you to access the different kinds of light that they have. There are 3 different kinds of light that they have. Obviously, you've seen the amber light already. They also have red light, and they also have infrared light. Now, the infrared light you can't see with the human eye, but it does actually come out of these lights. When you are using it, the little monitor here is going to flash and pulse and show you that it's working, because really it doesn't look like it's working. Right here I have it on infrared, and when I power it up, you can see that you've got the display here pulsing, but with the mask on, just like this, it doesn't actually look like any light is coming out of it. And then finally, if we go back here and select red light and then turn it on, now you can see the red light pumping out here. I'm just going to put it on like this to show you how easy it is to get it on. It fastens nice and securely here, and then this strap right here also goes along the back and adapts and connects. So I've got a really nice, comfortable fit on my face. I can walk around and do all kinds of different things. I just have to pop this little controller in my pocket and I stay powered up. The material is really super buttery soft silicone, and I found that I can get a lot of uses out of this before I actually have to charge it. Probably at least around 6 to 10 uses before it's time to plug this in and charge it up again. And it charges up super fast, so it doesn't even matter if you come to it and see the battery is low, it's gonna charge really quick. Now, the way that the mask is designed is actually pretty cool. It's designed so that the transparent silicone that goes over top of the lights helps to spread the impact of the light gently across your whole face, which means that you don't have any hot spots or weird shadows across the surface. Everything just feels even and really calming. I've been using it for about 4 weeks time, exactly as they recommend. The sessions are pretty short. I keep it to about 15 minutes, and I literally put this on, tuck this little controller in my pocket, I walk around the house, do a few things, and get in a skin treatment all at the same time. It's super soothing to my skin, almost like a little mini spa, if you will. Now, after using it, my skin feels more balanced, and it definitely feels soft. Now, it's too early for me to say long-term results, what I've seen, but even in a few weeks, I've noticed more glow and less dullness. So for me, what makes this mask a standout is how actually practical it is. It's clearly made for people who want results, but don't want to stay tethered to the wall for 30 minutes. Because let's face it, we're all really busy, and this fits a busy lifestyle. You can put it on and wear it in bed, sip a drink through a straw, you can read the newspaper, do the crossword, and it even has a custom mode. If you go in through the controller, you can actually set it to My Skincare, which is where you put in your favorite presets so that you can enjoy the treatment for as many minutes as you want for whatever the focus it is, whether it's brightness, anti-aging, or soothing. You can also control the intensity of the light, and you can control the kind of light. So you can go into My Skincare programming and you can add in your own very personal skincare routine that you can just put the mask on, walk around, do your business, and enjoy a spa at home for your face. Whew. It feels so good. I love the feeling of my skin after I take that off. The bonus is it makes a beautiful gift as well. It comes in this really pretty gift box that you can use. I actually also use it to store my mask because I like to have somewhere where it stays flat. Knowing that it's in this kind of a protection from the box for me means that I'm keeping it in good shape for the next time I want to use it. And it has all the parts too. Now, as far as cleaning goes, they do suggest that after you are done a treatment like the one I just showed you, you would take out an alcohol wipe, which they do provide some in the box for you, and just wipe off the surface so that you don't have an accumulation of facial oils, which could over time impact the way that the lens or the silicone cover that goes over top of the lights works and diffuses the light to all of your skin. So if you are looking for a really easy, convenient mini spa at home for your face with a variety of different lighting techniques and settings that you can customize exactly how you want, you might want to think about this great little LED light therapy mask from VYM Clinmate. Practical, lightweight, easy to use, and wireless, which for me is great in my busy lifestyle, and it's definitely a family favorite at my house.